Friends, if you want to increase the enforced drive frequency with push button, when you press increase push button, you can see frequency is increasing. You can see on drive display frequency is increasing, and for frequency decrease, if you press decrease push button, frequency will decrease. You can see on drive display. So in this video we will learn how to increase decrease drive frequency with push button. Also we connect to one stop push button. When you press stop push button, drive will stop, and for start push button, when you press start push button, drive will start. So in this video we will learn all about how to do increase and decrease push button connection and which parameter we need to set in the enforced drive. So let's start video and first understand setup. Okay, so for a start we just connect one start push button and NO element connect in this push button, and for stopping of drive we connect a stop push button and connect a NC element. For increasing drive frequency we connect push button, NO element is connect. For drive frequency decrease we connect one NO element in this push button. You can see it's Danfoss drive and its control terminal of Danfoss drive from 12 number point to 60 number point. We will learn all control terminal function and also learn how to program this control terminal. Its power terminal in which we connect RYB 3-phase power supply and its output of drive and drive operate. So 3-phase power supply connect to the motor terminal. So it's a drive output terminal. It's a drive control terminal. First understand control terminal function. So you can see from 12 number point to 60 number point, it's control terminal of Danfoss drive. At 12 number point, 24 volt DC supply for PNP mode connection. If you do connection in PNP mode, so just use 12 number point. And also you can see for dip switch setting, if you are doing wiring in PNP mode, so set second dip switch in downside. Okay, if you do wiring in NPN mode, so just to turn on second dip switch and do connection with 20 number point for NPN mode connection. But in this video we are doing connection in PNP mode, so use just 12 number point and connect one connector from 12 number point and also connect to the one push button for starting of drive and connect push button output to 18 number point, which is digital input first. Also we will program this digital input first for starting of drive. Okay, also we take one connector from 12 number point and connect to the stop push button, and output of this push button connect to the 27 number digital input third. We will program this 27 number terminal for stopping, and for frequency increase we take one connector from 12 number point and connect to the one push button, and output of this push button connect to the 29 number point for increasing of frequency. For increasing we use 29 number terminal. For decreasing frequency we use 33 number terminal. Okay, I hope you clear the concept. We will learn all connections practically. Okay, so for practical connection, first you can see we use 12 number point for PNP mode connection. So just take one connector here. Okay, for PNP mode connection, one connector from 12 number point and connect this 24 volt supply to all push button, start, stop, increase and decrease, all push button input terminal. Okay, so first we loop all wires. After that we will loop this 24 volt supply first in start push button in which we connect a NO element. Also from input terminal of this we connect one connector from stop push button, NC element is connect. Also loop 24 volt supply to increase push button, and you can see for increase push button, and also take one connector to decrease push button. So just we use loop 24 volt DC supply in a start, stop, increase and decrease push button. Okay, now let's learn digital inputs connection. When you press this start push button, so 18 number terminal we connect one connector. So when you press this push button, so supply comes here and connect this connector to drive digital input first 18 number point. We will program this 18 number point for forward start. Okay, so when this command comes, so drive will run in forward direction. For stopping we take one connector from NC element output. Okay, from NC element output and connect this connector to 27 number digital input third terminal. for stopping we will program this 27 for stopping. Frequency increase, we take one connector from increase push button, NO element, and connect this connector to 29 number terminal, digital input fourth 29 number terminal. We will program this 29 number terminal for increasing of frequency. Okay, and also for decreasing push button we take one connector from push button output and connect this connector to 33 number terminal, which is digital input 5. 33 number terminal, we will program this 33 number terminal for decreasing of frequency. Also learn which parameter we need to set. Okay, all connection is now done. Now first just power on. You can see drive display is on. Now let's see how it works. When you press start push button, so drive will not start. Okay, drive is start, but frequency is not increase. Frequency increase when you press increase push button. You can see on drive display frequency is increasing. Let's see one more time. Frequency is increasing when you press increase push button. When you press decrease push button, so frequency will be decreased. You can see on drive display. Now frequency is decreasing when you press decrease push button. And if you want to stop drive, okay, now drive is running. If you want to stop drive, so just press the stop push button. Drive will stop. And when you start, drive frequency is not increase. Drive frequency increase when you press increase push button. Now frequency is increasing when you press decrease push button, so frequency will decrease. I hope you clear the concept of how frequency increase and decrease with push button. Now let's see which parameter we need to set in drive. So for parameter setting, just press menu key one time. Again press menu key. First need to enter in third group. Okay, so first we enter in third group. Third group is for frequency reference selection. You can see frequency reference selection. Parameter is third group 15 parameter, in which we set 8 for pulse input. Okay, so just for pulse input we set 8. You can see in frequency reference selection we set 8. Okay, 8 for pulse input. If you connect potentiometer, so just set 1 for frequency increase decrease. And if you can increase decrease LCP, so just set 21. Okay, now for digital input programming, just enter in fifth group. Okay, so just enter in fifth group. Now enter OK. Okay, fifth group 10 parameter for 18 number digital input terminal. So for 18 number digital input terminal, we program for latch start, we set 9. So when start command come on 18 number point, so drive will start. So for starting we set 9. Okay, so 18 number terminal program for latch start. Okay, you can see latch start, drive will run properly. Now next parameter, fifth group 11 parameter for digital input 19 number point, which we are not using 19 number point. Okay, so 19 number points we are not using. Now for stopping 27 number point, which is digital input third. So for digital input third we set 19. 19 means phase reference for stopping. Okay, next parameter fifth group 13 parameter. Okay, which is for 29 terminal. Okay, so 29 terminal for increasing of frequency. So for increasing frequency we set 21. For speed up, okay, so for speed up. And next parameter fifth group 15 parameter we set 22, which terminal for 33. When we press this push button, so down command or speed down setting for 22, we set 22 for speed down. I hope you clear the concept of how to do proper connection for increase decrease push button and which parameter we need to enter in drive. If you like this video, please press like button. For today's enough, we'll meet in next video. Thanks for watching.